welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great. Learning this language great way. Today I am sharing with you how to improve your vocabulary. I forget this vocabulary and I receive. I uh, I'm daily talk to you, but I'm stuck. I'm not remember this the vocabulary. And you are need for this the vocabulary. If you want to learn English, you are need for this the vocabulary. And you are multiple time speak, you are multiple time making this a sentence, and you are grow your vocabulary. Yeah, your first action is you talk to yourself. You daily talk to yourself. You go to front of mirror, and you talk to yourself. You describe things. Your mind is any thought. You are express this as thought. You are express this as thought. You are take this the topic, one topic, and uh, you are explain, and you are grow your vocabulary. And you are not forgetting this the vocabulary. And you are daily talking to you. Okay, you are confident. Your sentence is a right or wrong, but you are talk to you. Yeah. And my second action is you are listen short story. Yeah. You are sorry, you are watch this the short story, and you are watch this the subtitle. You are listening. Yeah. And you are pause this video, and you are repeated this the sentence. This is shadow technique. Yeah. And you would you would the knowledge. You would get this the knowledge. Yeah. You we need listen more and more. And it will very very challenging, very challenging. And you should accept this the challenge. And your listening is growing your listening, growing your listening skill. And you will English is not difficult. English is so easy. Yeah. But you are listen, you are listening. You are remember this the vocabulary. You remember this the vocabulary. And my third actions, you are create your video. Yeah. You are create your video. Your gates of your get this the knowledge. Yeah. You get this the lot of learn this the vocabulary. Yeah. You are multiple time you are make this the sentence. You are multiple time you are make this sentence. But you are suffering. But if you want to the learn English, you are endure. You are endure. And you are patience. You are you are you are keep patience. You are keep patience. If you want to learn English, you are keep patience. One day you are definitely you are speak to English. Yeah. Your sentence is a right or wrong, but you are talk to you. And you are slowly grow your growing your English. Yeah. You are understanding this sentence making this a sentence. Yeah. You are learn these uh, phrases. You are reading this the book, and you are create your video. You are create your video, and you are create your video. You are watching this the video, and your sentence is the right or wrong. You understand, yeah. And one day you are definitely you will learn this the English. But without vocabulary, uh, you are not learning. Okay, you are not speaking. You will beginning speak to English. You lots of learn this the vocabulary, and you are create your video now. You are not afraid. You are not afraid, and you are so proud of you. I'm talk to English. You will you will talking to English. Yes, but you are try. You are try. Your get your get is the knowledge. You are using this the word in your speech. In your speech, okay. Your three actions. You are follow this the three actions. You are definitely you are speak to English. Yes. Thank you watching this my video. My video is a like and subscribe, and bye bye.